I'm the letter W. Let's hear my story.
Beside the old well, many big green watermelons were kept.
Oh,
Walia picked one up.
it's heavy.
He cut it open and shared the juicy slices with the children. They sat by the well and enjoyed the sweet treat.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I'm the letter X. Let's hear my story.
Nurse Nina showed a blue X-ray to the children.
Look, these are bones.
The kids were amazed. Later, they played a fun game on the Xbox.
That was so much fun. I hope you liked my story. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.